Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about Chongqing University Silk Road program scholarship. In previous video I told about Chongqing University Chinese University program. So in this video I will tell you Silk Road program, and I'll also tell you what is the difference between Silk Road scholarship program and Chinese university program. So go forward to type in Google cscguideofficial.com, type in Google and click on first link, and after clicking on first link you will click on Chinese government scholarship Silk Road program, and click on CSC scholarship admission. Okay, after clicking on CSC scholarship admission, you can see here just Silk Road program, Chinese government scholarship Chongqing University Silk Road program, and Chinese government scholarship Chinese university program. Okay, you can click on, if you want to apply for Silk Road program, click here, and in this video I will tell you the difference between Chongqing University Silk Road scholarship program and Chongqing University Chinese university program. Okay, and you can see this is for master and PhD students only. If you want to watch complete video in detail, check my previous video. But if you don't know what is the difference between Silk Road scholarship program and Chinese university program, this is for every university, not for this university. If a university have two types of scholarship, means one is this Chinese university program, and one is Silk Road program. Silk Road program scholarship, Silk Road scholarship program and Chinese university program, both are under in B category, not in A category. In A category only two programs are will be included. So what's first one is definitely one thing is one of this is MOFCOM scholarship, another one is bilateral program. Okay, now bilateral program game is over, because bilateral program is handling CSC, and for MOFCOM scholarship within a week or within month they announce how you apply for and that they announce the deadline and the admission about MOFCOM scholarship. So now came to the just online apply, no need to send hard copies. You just pay the application fee, 400 RMB application fee, 400 RMB application fee after submitting the online application form. After filling CSC application form, must sign on the 5th page or last page of the CSC application form, because without signed application form they not accept. Okay, means after filling CSC application form, download it, the CSC application form, and sign it, and again scan it and upload it on CSC application portal. Okay, university application portal. Chongqing University online program, Chongqing University online application portal, upload the CSC form, signed CSC application form, upload all documents, no need to send hard copies. Okay, and 400 application fee as well. After submitting online application form, they will tell you how you fill CSC application form, link in the description. How you fill university application form, the link in the description. And after this is the documents list. After filling CSC application form, okay, not signed, must sign in. Okay, highest degree, transcript, personal statement included in study plan, and your academic background. All these things I'll tell in my previous video, because this is overview, so that's why I'm giving you the overview. Recommendation letter, curriculum vitae, CV, load your CV in which you included your personal information, educational background, work experience, and these kind of things, passport photocopy and original documents. So be connected with me, because I will tell you what is the difference between Silk Road program and Chinese university program. Okay, arts is not mandatory, so you must have a physical examination form and with blood test report, electrocardiograph, and X-ray report. In my previous video I will tell completely, but I don't have any idea about electrocardiograph. If you want to know, then go to your city or district hospital and ask them, I need an electrocardiograph report. So electrocardiograph, they will tell you. Okay, English proficiency certificate, you click here to download the letter, acceptance letter. So we can go to the official advertisement of Chinese government scholarship Silk Road program. So now get to the point. What is the difference between Silk Road program? Silk Road program is that in Silk Road program some specific majors and some specific countries are some specific countries students can apply. You can see now we open the This one is the Silk Road program, and we know the Chinese university program. Click on the second one, and that's Chinese university program. This is Chinese university program, and this one is Silk Road program. So the difference between is that for Silk Road program, these these are the sporting majors like electrical engineering, and you can see electrical engineering in School of Electrical Engineering. In university program, you can see there is no electrical engineering school, and mechanical engineering is also not included in this Chinese university program. So you can check if your major is not in Chinese university program. You must check your major in Silk Road program. If you are major in Silk Road program or Chinese University program, so you can apply. So don't worry about this. Silk Road program is in B category, and in Silk Road program some specific majors. So don't worry about this. All the other procedure and all the other procedure is same. So you can apply if your major is included. And how you pay the fee, I already tell in my previous video, so you can check the previous video which is in detail. So how you apply for this scholar, how you apply pay the fee. You can pay the fee through WeChat, Alipay, bank transfer. If you are not in China, so if you are outside from China, you if your friend in China, then you ask them to pay the fee. And if your friend is not in China, you also not in China, then pay the fee in your home country bank, any bank, and send your receipt to this email. If receipt upload option in your online application portal, then must upload receipt. So hope so you like this video, and if you want to get other scholarship update, then visit our CSC website, cscguideofficial.com website. But if you want to check how many students selected Chongqing University last year, you can click on CSC scholarship results and click on winner list of Chongqing University Chinese government scholarship. Okay, you can click here to Chongqing University Chinese government scholarship. Okay, no, this is the list of the Chinese government scholarship. Here is the list. So I think they select 93 students for CSC scholarship last year. So maybe it's a very huge contribution list for the CSC scholarship. So this internet speed is a little bit slow, so that's why it's happened. Okay, this a little bit speed problem, so that's why it happened. If you want to check the winner list, you can visit cscguideofficial.com. So hope you like this video, so I don't waste your time. This is the list. I think they select 93 students. Okay, come here and watch it and explore it. Good luck, take care.